Okay, next breakup we have here. It's going to be for Matt. Thank you very much. We're going to have 2 photos of the Tristar History of Football. Leaf 8x10 wrestling box. Some Leaf holiday bonus packs. And 2015 Platinum Elite Baseball. So thanks again. Good luck to you. Nice to have you back here in the break room. And let's see what we can pull for you. We'll start off with the Onyx Platinum Elite 2015. Okay, we have Tyler Kolek, Ronaldo Lopez, autograph of Miguel Sano, numbered 37 of 90 on the back, and autograph is going to be of Rafael Devers. All right, nice first box there with the Sano auto. What's next? Devon Travis, Austin Meadows. Autograph's going to be of Byron Buxton. Number 10 of 10. An autograph of Nick Howard. Okay. Looking good. And next box, Devon Travis, Teoscar Hernandez. Next autograph is going to be of Angel Aguilar, number 2 of 5. And our last auto, Rob Kaminsky. All right, let's get to the 2014 Leaf bonus packs. Got 3 of them for you. First, it's going to have an autograph of Jamil Kamara, number 39 of 50. It's going to be from the Army All-American. Yeah, best ones I've seen. Definitely got your money's worth and some on those. Next, we have a City of Dallas. It's going to be a printing plate of Frank Thomas. Might be a little hard to see there. Baseball Club of Chicago. And it's going to be a, from Leaf Peck and Snyder, a 1/1 magenta plate. Very nice. And another printing plate coming up. Stephen Plaskett from 2014 Perfect Game. Another 1/1. Stephen Plaskett. Okay, on to 2015 Wrestling 8x10 photos. This would be nice to see out memory lane here. Haven't seen these for a while. All right, several photos inside. All right, Pretty cool. First one, Jim Cornette auto. Jim Cornette. Yeah, Ben will be gone for the week. Next up, Danny Davis. Molly Holly. Next photo. Next one's going to be Rick Martel, the model. That's awesome. And our final photo, the New Age Outlaws. Road Dogg Jesse James and Billy Gunn. That's great. I haven't seen these guys in a long time. Okay. And next in that break, History of Football 8x10s from Tristar. First, we're going to have Vince Young, featured in the Rose Bowl there from the 2006. PSA Authentic, Vince Young. Next is going to be Willie Roaf from Kansas City Chiefs. That will be authenticated from Tristar. Willie Roaf. All right, very nice break there for you, Matt. Thanks for the order. Hope you enjoy those.